Yesterday, I asked myself a question. I said, why do we yawn? I then asked my husband, I said, why do you think we yawn? I said, it seems like such a spontaneous response that our body just does for whatever reason. So I decided to do some research on yawning, and this is what I uncovered. The theories of yawning. Even thinking about yawning can cause you to do it. It's something everybody does, including animals. And you shouldn't try to stifle it, because when you yawn, it's because your body needs it. It's one of the most contagious, uncontrollable actions of our body. There are many theories as to why people yawn. One popular theory is that by yawning, it helps your body to bring in more oxygen. The most scientifically backed theory about why we yawn is brain temperature regulation. A 2014 study published in Psychology and Behavior looked at the yawning habits of 120 people and found that yawning occurred less during the winter. If the brain's temperature gets too far outside of the norm, inhaling air can help cool it down. You may also find yourself yawning more if you get migraines. During a migraine, your blood clots in your brain. Yawning helps to cool your blood down from the clotting. Another reason you may yawn is because the body wants to wake itself up. The motion helps stretch the lungs and their tissues, and it allows the body to flex its muscles and joints. It may also force blood toward your face and brain to increase alertness. Is yawning contagious? Yawning is definitely contagious. Even videos of people doing it can trigger a yawning session. As you watch this video, how many times have you yawned? As you continue on, count how many times you yawn and write them down. If you did catch a yawn, then according to a study from Baylor University, it's a good thing. You're showing empathy and bonding. The study, published in Personality and Individuals Differences, looked at 135 college students, their personalities, and how they reacted to different facial movements. The results showed that the less empathy a person had, the less likely he or she would yawn after seeing someone else yawn. It's important to note that these results can't be generalized. Not catching a yawn isn't evidence for psychopathic or sociopathic tendencies, however. There are many reasons why we yawn. I set out to find out why because it was just one of those thoughts that came to my mind, and it seems very simple. I automatically thought it had something to do with breathing or taking in air, so I decided to do this video just to test the theory and also to see if it is indeed contagious. If you yawned while watching this video, then it's quite possible that yawning is contagious. Okay, I'm out. Be sure to ring the bell to be notified of new uploads on this channel, and also comment, share, like, and subscribe.